MS Implant. Introducing the MS Implant, the one body type implant for narrow bone width areas such as the mandibular anterior region. There are three types of MS implant: narrow ridge, denture, and provisional. First, the narrow ridge is a one body type implant suitable for areas with narrow bone width or narrow interdental spaces. Second, the MS denture is an implant designed for overdentures. Third, the MS provisional is used when immediate placement of the temporary prosthesis is necessary. Try the MS implant in the mandibular anterior region where the bone can be very narrow. Introducing the MS Kit. The MS Kit is designed exclusively for MS implants. The MS Kit is designed exclusively for MS implants, which are used in areas where the bone is narrow, such as the anterior mandibular region. With the MS Kit, you can place an MS narrow ridge, MS denture, or MS provisional implant with a quick and simple procedure. Try using the MS Kit when placing an MS implant.